In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use LibreOffice to edit a PDF file. Whether you're familiar with LibreOffice or you're just getting started, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can manage your documents with ease. First, let's begin by opening LibreOffice on your computer. To do this, look for the LibreOffice icon on your desktop, or you can open it through your Start menu. Double-clicking the iconic symbol will bring you into the LibreOffice Start Center, which is essentially your gateway to a variety of applications within the LibreOffice suite. Here, you'll notice several different app options available for different types of tasks. Now that you're in the LibreOffice Start Center, you'll want to open LibreOffice Draw, which is the application that will allow you to edit PDFs. Simply click on the Draw Drawing option. You might recognize it by the pencil icon next to it. But if you have a specific PDF file in mind that you're eager to start working on, you can take a shortcut by going to the File menu at the top of the window. Click on it, then choose Open. This direct method can be a real time saver, allowing you to skip right to locating your PDF. Once the application is ready for you, it's time to select the PDF file you'd like to work on. In the Open File dialog box that appears, navigate through your folders and files until you find your desired PDF. It might be useful to know the file name in advance so you can make short work of this step. Go ahead and click on the file to select it. After you've made all of your modifications and you're happy with your edits, the next task is to export your work back into a PDF format. To do this, go back up to the File menu. Once you are there, hover over Export As, and when more options appear, select Export as PDF. This step is where you have the opportunity to customize the PDF export settings if necessary. Perhaps you'd like to change the file resolution or incorporate password protection. Review the available settings to see if any adjustments suit your project's needs. When you're satisfied with the export settings, click the Export button. A prompt will appear asking you to choose a location for your newly edited PDF. Decide on a convenient place on your computer to store this document. A folder where you can easily find it later on. Type in a file name if necessary and complete this process by clicking Save. And there you have it. You've successfully edited and saved a PDF using LibreOffice Draw. This tool can be a powerful ally in your document management endeavors, allowing for flexibility and precision in your edits. I hope these instructions have been clear and straightforward, and you're now ready to tackle your next PDF project with confidence.